All right, friends, welcome to Chicago. It is a very cloudy day. Not as cold as last time. I'm in short sleeves, and I'm excited to have a pleasant photo walk. I mean, you know, you never know if it's actually going to be pleasant or not, but we'll see. We'll see if that's what occurs. It might be like an extremely hectic photo walk, and that's okay too. Excited to get some photos. As of right now, and this might change. Did you hear my voice? Wow. As of right now, and this might change very quickly. I'm shooting with a 50, but that has a tendency to change. Different cities will ask you for different things. Let's not get hit by a bus today. How you doing, sir? Can I give you a water?
Alright.
Alright, what's your name, man?
Frank.
Alright, I'm James, good to meet you.
Okay.
Are you having a good day?
I haven't made a dime yet.
Yeah, oh no.
Looks like I might not be eating today.
Yeah.
I don't see none of the regulars at all.
Uh-huh. Well, I hope that water helps you out, man.
Alright.
I guess water is good for everybody, right?
Yeah.
Alright, God bless you, man. Have a good day.
Take a picture.
Yeah.
For what, your school or something?
No, man, I'm a street photographer. It's a passion project.
Well, I done met a few of them down here. They took some pictures of me and they sent it to me.
All right.
You take one of me, would you send it to me?
Yeah, absolutely. I just need your info.
Okay, what about?
Let's see here. I'll just put you right here, man. What's your name?
Dennis.
All right, I'm James.
Not the minute, just Dennis.
All right. There we go. All right. Hang tight for me. All right, get a little bit closer. Nice. All right. Yeah, sure. Got that.
That's just
A little further back.
well, I want that one when the other one. You gonna send them to me though, right?
Yeah, I'll send them to
Let
you.
me write down my information, or you gotta find it.
All right. Yeah, no, I'll put it down. You bet. What do you need photos for?
I just like to take pictures.
All right. I agree with you on that.
I missed the pictures that I had when I was in Vegas.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, you got some pictures in Vegas?
When I was in Vegas.
All right.
Apartment 412.
Oh, okay. Oh, you want me to send it to your apartment? All right.
Yeah.
Let's see. All right. I don't normally print photos, but I'll see what I can do.
412.
All right.
412.
Oh, I'm sorry. 420. That's different. You got like an email address or anything?
You know what? I left it on my, cause I got it just I don't know it off the top, but I'd have got it. But
Yeah. I guess if you don't use it a lot.
Okay, so your name is what?
I'm James.
James, pleased to meet you.
Yeah, pleasure to meet you, sir.
Yeah, so the people a week or something before you send them to me?
Yeah, maybe so. Like I said, I'll have to see what I can do in terms of printing, you know, because I don't do a lot of that. Most of my stuff is online.
Oh, okay.
But I'll see what I can do, and if so, I'll try to get it to you quickly.
All right, Jay. Thank you, man.
Yeah, you bet.
Hey, but can I ask you something, man? Help
Yeah,
me
what's
out with 35 cents. Get a cup of tea.
I got no money for you. I do got a water. You want a water?
I just threw a bottle away. I drank on the train.
All right. You want some more water?
No.
All right.
But yeah.
All right. There you go, brother.
Thank you. Smart water.
Yeah, it's the best kind.
Thank you.
All right, God bless, man. Have a good day. This might be a James hands out water walk. I don't know how that would perform in terms of a title. I just can't express how good it feels, that it feels good. This guy would be nice. Can I take your photo, man?
Huh?
Can I take your photo?
Take a photo.
All right. What's your name, man?
My name is Curtis.
All right. I'm James. Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
All right. Go ahead. Pretend like I'm not here.
All right.
Down low. You wanna look at me really quick? All right, all right. Hang tight just like that. All right, hang tight. Thanks, man.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, of course, thank you. Are you on Instagram or anything?
Yeah, I'm on Instagram.
Okay, let me write your name down.
All right, cool.
I'll be happy to send some to you.
Cool.
Did you grow up here?
Yeah, I'm from Chicago, y'all.
All right, cool.
From the south side.
Okay, all right. How do you, I don't live here. I'm just visiting. Like, what do you like about Chicago?
It's cool. I like it. I like the food. I like the girls. I like the way we speak, the music.
Yeah.
I like a lot of stuff here. This is my favorite city. I'm traveling. I'm just starting to travel. I just came from Puerto Rico like a month and a half ago.
Oh, okay.
Been to
Me and my wife are trying to visit there.
Yeah,
She's half Haitian.
A lot of people going to Puerto Rico. I don't know if my friend's still there, but I got a homie who had his birthday recently in Puerto Rico.
Okay, that's a nice place to have a birthday.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, I like it. I'm trying to go to Germany. I'll probably go to Jamaica. Jamaica is so cheap to go to, so I'll probably go to Jamaica. Well, I want to go to Jamaica later, but I might go sooner than later, but I'm really trying to go to Germany.
All right.
If that don't work out, I'm going to Russia.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
that's different.
Yeah, I seen they got a layover in Paris, so I want to...
You just like to travel?
Yeah, I like traveling a lot.
All right, that's great. That's great. I love that. Yeah, I live in South Florida, so I'm surrounded by Jamaica and all the islands.
I just came from Florida. I had a layover when I went to Puerto Rico and Orlando. I was in Orlando.
Okay.
Yeah, it was pretty cool there. I like Florida. It's pretty chill.
Yeah, yeah, it's a nice spot. Traffic's a little ridiculous. People are pretty angry when they get in their car, but it's a nice place. It's always warm. I came here in the winter one time, and it was like top 3 coldest experiences of my life.
See, that's what I like. I like cold.
You like that?
Yeah, cold. Yeah, cold is my favorite.
You're a special kind of person.
Yeah, I like cold.
All right, let me get one more of you just like this, just like a portrait, because I like this angle. All right, hang tight. Sweet, man. Thank you so much.
All right.
All right, I'll find you. All right, God bless, man. Have a good day. Oops. Yeah, that's kind of fun, but I wish I would have cut the wheels off. Very happy with how the shutter dragged there. That's something I haven't done enough of in my street photography, is dragging the shutter. Right now I'm at 100th of a second. I think I'm gonna play with that today. It smells kind of funny. You guys on a tour?
We're here with our school.
Oh, okay.
Kind of similar.
Have a good day. Okay, so I'm changing something in my bag. What normally happens is, while I'm doing this, the perfect cyclist comes by. So I'm gonna do this quickly. It's like that first shot told me that there's potential. I know roughly what speed they're gonna be going, where they're gonna be. Lots of patterns in the city. Okay, I think I'm going to move along. So I just took a tumble over there. Wow, the lighting is nice. Cool. How pretty. Hey, excuse me. I'm a street photographer. I take photos of interesting people that I find. I thought you guys were wonderful holding hands and everything. I was just wondering if I could take a quick portrait of you guys.
Okay.
I'll be happy to send it to you.
Okay.
All right, you guys want to just stand right here for me? Thank you. And I'm James. What's your name?
Phyllis.
What's your name?
Lou.
Okay, good to meet you. All right. I'm just gonna take a couple photos really quick. All right, hang tight for me. All right, 2, 3. All right, hang tight. And I'm gonna get one a little bit closer. All right, 1, 2, 3. All right, thank you, Phyllis and Lou, right? Okay, great. Do you guys have like an email or something?
Sure.
Okay.
Want to write it down?
Yeah, Lou, you're welcome to write it down here. I'll let you. Might make it easier. Sometimes there could
So
be
what
like.
do you do? You just take pictures?
Yeah, this is a passion project. I just share them on Instagram. So I've always enjoyed the city and taking photos of interesting people, meeting new people,
Are
challenge.
you from here? Are you
No, I'm actually from. Well, I live in South Florida now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but this is the second time I visited here. First time I came, it was very cold, so I'm enjoying this a lot more. Yeah,
We're from New York.
that's not. Oh, great. Okay, you guys from New York City or the other parts?
Like Long Island.
Long Island.
Long Island. All right, cool.
Okay, bud.
Yeah, thank you so
Thanks
much, guys.
Have a great day.
All right, have a good one. I'll send it over. I just felt like they could use a portrait. Let's see. That didn't work. Why are you following me, Mr. B? Because that B thought I was a plant. Common mistake. Oh. Whoa. A little bit of New York City there. I have a crown of thorns necklace that I like to wear, and it's currently sitting underneath my GoPro strap, and I think it's creating a permanent indentation into my chest. So that's fun. I'm using a somewhat new GoPro, and I've been very much impressed with the battery life. What's up, man? All right. Have a good one. Oh my gosh, that might be really amazing. Dude. Cool. Whenever that happens, I check the focus. Yeah, I think that'll work. I think in Chicago for that. How you doing?
Pretty good, and you?
Good, good. Have a good day. Oh my gosh. That was horrifying. I'm looking for a tower right now. I've been walking blocks in this direction to try to find it. Okay, there it is. Might be hard to tell on the camera, but I can assure you guys it's large. Hey guys, I'm in a photo walk in Chicago today. Look at that. That's large. Okay, well that was fun. Beautiful. I have an idea. Oh boy. 70 to 200. Hey, excuse me. Do you mind if I take your photo really quick? I love your hair. Oh, what's your name?
I'm Shima.
Okay, I'm James. Good to meet you. All right. I'm just a street photographer. I take photos of interesting people. So, okay, you want to just stand right here for me?
You want me to look at you?
Yeah, that'd be good. All right. Yeah, whatever feels natural for you. Nice. I'm gonna get back a little bit further.
I'm a natural smiler.
All right, that's great. All right, I'm gonna get one a little bit closer. And a little bit. So one more closer and then we'll be done. Perfect, excellent. Thank you. Are you on Instagram? Okay, sweet. Huh? What? What's up?
Can I take a picture of this camera?
Of the camera?
With that, like I want to take a picture with her with that camera, get both of us.
Oh, no, we're good, man.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
we're good.
Yeah, we're good. Have a good one. Okay, yeah. I guess he thought we were together.
I guess so.
Let's see. Okay, where can I find you on Instagram? I can send you the photos. That's a beautiful name, by the way.
Thank you.
Yeah. I'm having my first little girl, and I'm trying to figure out what the heck to name her.
Well, my original name is Rashima.
Whoa, okay, cool.
It's it means the making of a dream.
Okay, did I get that right?
Yes, perfect.
The making of a dream. That's cool. All right.
Well, congrats on your first.
Thank you so much. All right, you have a good day. Thank you. She had a very gentle energy. I love people like that. Now, where the heck is my car? Oh, dude, I think I totally went the right way. Oh, I think I'm doing such an amazing job right now because I think that's my car over there. Does it respond to my call? Hey-o. All right, what's the damage?